Today we're looking at BUR10 acrylic-based plumbing and flanged vent repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing problems can be incomplete flashings, cracks, and deterioration. Let's look at a three-course method. To start, always clean the surface. Measure a piece of 483 polyester fabric and cut corners as needed to allow wrap to lay flat. Cut the 483 polyester to length. For a professional look, mask off the repair area. In windy conditions, you may fold back half the 483 polyester. Using a trowel or brush, apply APOC 264 flash and seal to the substrate. Embed 483 polyester into APOC 264 flash and seal. Fold back the other side of the 483 polyester and apply APOC 264 flash and seal to the substrate. Embed 483 polyester into APOC 264 flash and seal. Cut a 4" by 4" square corner piece of 483 polyester fabric with a slit as shown and embed into the APOC 264 flash and seal. Apply a top coat of APOC 264 flash and seal. Repeat this process for the remaining sides. Remove the masking tape. Now your APOC BUR10 acrylic-based vent repair detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.